How to fix always on display not working in Moto G17 Power. First of all, restart device, swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power of icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb, open setting, scroll down, click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb, and if you want to turn off do not disturb, then click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting, open setting, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option and click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix always on display not working in Moto G17 Power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.